to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you're an oldie, welcome back, guys. So today we are doing an inspired look with the color brown or chocolate, however you want to call it. I've been seeing here lately that is one of the trending colors for the season right now. So I was like, I really love how that color looks on me, whether it be eyeshadow, clothing, however you want to place it. I love that color on me. So today we are going to go through a tutorial with the color brown. So guys, without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into the tutorial. All right, y'all, hope my lighting is not too bad. Girl, I done took off the bonnet. Let y'all know your hair is growing. Do y'all remember I had no sides? Okay, just want to make sure y'all remember that, so y'all understand the growth is real. So I wanted to go in with one of the classics that I love their shades of brown in. So I went to my Second Nature 3502 Morphe palette, and I'm going to be going in with Fawn. And then from that palette, I'm going to go in with, after I apply the first transition shade of the Fawn, I'm going to go with In the Zone to start packing that color to create the darkness that you see here. I'm creating that cut center, so when I cut it, the area that fades out, I'm creating that definition there to darken that area crease. And then once I apply all that, I'm going to go in with the Muddy from the 3502, and I'm going to use that as the darkest shade, and I'm just going to continue to work that up, go back and forth. So in the next couple steps, that's what you're going to be seeing me do. All right, guys, it's time for the cut now. So I'm going in with my P. Louise number 4 base, and then I'm going in with my Morphe 124 brush. I'm using that to help me cut my crease today. And so the way I did this crease is I had my eyes open and I just followed it. So that's what I'm going to do here in these next step as well. So just follow along. To set the crease, I'm going in with the Warrior Juvia's Place palette, and I'm going in with the shade Ahosi. I'm going in with this shade, y'all. Sorry, I don't know how to pronounce it. These names are always crazy to me. But I'm going in with that, and I'm going to first set it. So just watch this process, guys, because I'm going to set it with that shade, and then I'm going to go on top of that with another one. So let's go ahead and set it with that one. Okay, so long ago, y'all, I had this fake Morphe palette, and so I still use it to this day. So I'm going in with that palette. I mean, I shouldn't even mention it because I don't like some y'all can go buy it, but anywho, this is the shade I'm going in from that palette. It was called, look, I should know a different one by the way the Morphe is. And it's 35F, so yeah, guys. You have to, I will put the link right here if y'all want to see the video where I talked about when I found out I had a fake Morphe palette. So check that out if you're interested in see about how I found out I had a fake Morphe palette. The link is above, check it out. But guys, I'm going to go in with that shade and I'm going to apply it on top of the lid now. Okay, that's it. Look at it. Ooh. Okay, so that's done. And what I'm going to do next is with the In Mood color, I think that's the name of it, with the darker shade that I use, I'm going to just blot a little bit of that just to try to soften that a little bit. I don't want it to be too defined because I like how it's like cut right there. So we're just going to go in a little bit with that to like soften up the cut of the crease right there. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do off camera is I did a little bit of a wing to this lid, but I didn't go all the way. So I'm going to do that off camera and apply my lash. I just really can't look at y'all with that. It's just like too tedious for me. I can't do that. But we'll be back in a second with the face. Alright guys, so off camera what I did was go in with my Milk Hydro Grip Primer and I set my face. I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Pores. I'm kind of feeling iffy about this shade because I'm just not really sure, just because of the season change. I just don't know if I may be that color. Yeah, what y'all think? Oh guys, what I'm going in with is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop in the shade, what shade is this? Cinnamon. In the shade Cinnamon. And I'm just mixing that because I'm trying to see how, trying to find my best color. So we're doing trial and error right now. We're gonna work it out. Got like 4 different concealers on. What am I doing? Y'all know we're gonna work this out though. So I'm going with Deep Cinnamon as to use for my contour. I don't want to do too much with the cream because when you blend it out, it's going to actually spread. And I'm actually going to go with my Milani concealer this time. I want to try it out. Can't really remember how it worked before, but I'm going to go in with that to try to help blend out the bronzer. So I'm going ahead and set my face so we can start blending now. And I'm going in with my e.l.f. Magic Mist. You can never have too much setting spray. Note to self. Note to anyone wanting to know. You can never have too much setting spray. Now we're going to go in and blend out. I'm also going to set my beauty sponge and we're going to use that and start to blend out. I don't know why my freckles are so visible right now. And I really think it's because of the, oh, look at that forehead. Oh, no, ma'am. I really think it's because of the foundations I use trying to see, but we're gonna fix that for sure. Okay, let me go off camera, y'all, and come back, fix this, and we'll come back to the end. So y'all stay tuned. I'll be back for the final look. All right, guys, that's pretty much it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did and made it this far, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss an upload, guys. And as always, stay true and stay you, and I'll see you guys in the next video.